crafters, it's needlepointers.com. Today I am sharing a fun craft you can make with your kids, a do-it-yourself snowman ornament. Learn how to turn a plain plastic ball ornament into a cute and easy snowman. Let's get started with the supplies you will need. Clear round plastic ornament, fake snow, 2 craft googly eyes, orange felt, black adhesive black felt or black paper, ribbon, craft glue or hot glue gun, hole punch, scissors, funnel, and cup. While it might seem like the material list is long, this cute homemade snowman ornament is easy to make. The first step is to remove the ornament cap. To remove the cap, just gently pull the cap off the ornament and set it aside. Next, fill the ornament with fake snow. To make it easier to fill the ornament with the snow, place the ornament in a cup. Insert the funnel into the top and then start to put the fake snow into the funnel. You may need to have a pencil handle to help to get the snow to go through the funnel. Continue to insert the snow until the ornament is filled. Once it's filled, put the cap back on the ornament. It's time to begin decorating the ornament with a snowman face. If you have small children, I would suggest that you use tacky glue. For this demonstration though, I'm going to use a hot glue gun. Again, I'm going to put the ornament in a cup so it's easier to decorate. I'm going to begin with the eye and put just a very small dab of hot glue on the eye. And attach it to the ornament. Do the same thing with the other eye. Now the nose. And I used adhesive back felt, so it already has glue on it. So all I have to do is take off the paper backing and then start to put the mouth on. And continue to do that until you have the mouth completely on. Just so you know how I completed this, I cut the nose from a piece of orange felt. And of course, as you saw, I glued it to the ornament. If you don't have orange felt, you can easily use an orange permanent pen, orange paint, or even a piece of construction paper to make the nose. For the mouth, I used a hole punch to punch circles from a piece of black adhesive back felt, or you could use a piece of black construction paper. And I attached those in a semicircle beneath the nose to make the mouth of coal. To add a nice touch, let's put a piece of ribbon through the top. And what I did is I cut a piece of ribbon about 8 inches long. I'm inserting it into the hook. And then I'm going to tie a knot at the top. That's all there is to it. Kids of all ages can help make these snowman Christmas ornaments. Make several to go on your tree, or make them as gifts. I hope that you enjoyed today's snowman winter ornament. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. To subscribe and follow, click the links below. Be sure to visit our website, needlepointers.com, for more free holiday craft tutorials.